Hello friends, welcome back to RKG Gurukul. My name is Rajkamal Gupta. Let's continue the series of data structure. If you not subscribed this channel till yet, please subscribe this channel. In this video, we will discuss some basic terminology of data structure. First start with data. Data is defined as elementary value or set of value. Example, student name, student roll number, marks. This can store some value, so that is defined as data. Second is data item. Data item is referred to single unit of value. Single unit that can contain value is called as data item. Data item can be divided into two sections. First is called as grouped item and second is elementary item. So if data item can be splitted into sub item that are called as group item. Example, a student name. It may be divided in three sub items like first name, middle name and last name. So student name is group item. Second is elementary item. If the data item are not able to divide into sub item are called as elementary item. Example, age. Age cannot be splitted. So that is a elementary item. Next, entity. An entity is something that has certain attribute or property which may be assigned value. The value may be numeric, non-numeric, string, character, anything. Example, student. It may have name as Rajkamal, roll number as something 101, age as something 28. So student is defined as entity. Attribute. Attribute is a property of entity that can contain some value. Example, name. Name can accept some value. That's why name is the attribute of student. Next, field. Field is a single elementary unit of informations representing an attribute of entity. Record. Record can be defined as collection of various data items of an entity. File. A file is a collection of various record of one type of entity. One type of entity or set of one type of entity is called as entity set. That's all about this video. In next video, we will discuss some different type of data structure. Please like, comment, share these videos. Thanks for watching.